vlog. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Andito na naman tayo sa aking munting kusina guys. For today, I will make a lemon meringue. So this, we don't need to cook this guys. We just mix all the ingredients that I have here. Mayroon ako dito ng condensed milk. We need lemon. And then cream cheese. I already softened this for an room temperature. Ating cream cheese. This is 226 grams or 8 ounce na cream cheese. And then I'm gonna use this pie crust na 9-inch na pie crust. Dito ko ilalagay yung aking mixture. This is already pre-made na pie crust guys. I use the pre-made pie crust. Kaya let's start. First, I'm gonna make my lemon zest. So, gamit tayo nito ng ano ba to? Grater or ito. Kuskusin na natin ang balat ng ating lemon. Kunti lang naman ang kailangan ko nito guys. By the way, nahugasan ko na to guys yung lemon ko. I already washed those. This is enough. Okay. This, you can see it guys, like this one. Ang toppings lang to sa babaw ng ating. Next, I'm gonna cut my lemon. I only need 1 cup. 1 cup, no. 1 half cup of squeeze lang tayo ng lemon, guys. Squeeze. Okay. So I have a half cup of lemon juice here, and then I will combine the condensed milk, the lemon juice, and then the cream cheese. I will combine it together in this bowl. Ayan. 1 can lang ng ating condensed milk ang kailangan, guys. It is 396 grams. 14 ounce. And then ating cream cheese. Malambot na to. Nilagay ko na to sa room temperature for 2 hours. Ayan. Ating cream cheese. Haluin lang natin. Strainer ko lang to, guys, kasi mayroong mga buto na sali or pag squeeze ko mayroong buto. So ayan, 2 buto. So ito, guys. So gamit tayo ng hand mixer, guys. Kasi kakamayin ko lang sa pagmix. Abutin ako ng siyam-siyam nito. Kasi buhol-buhol siya. Kailangan kasi ma-incorporate lahat ng yung ating condensed milk at saka cream cheese and ng ating lemon juice. Kailangan mawala na yung mga buhol-buhol, mga clumps. We need na smooth yung consistency niya ng ating mixture. Kailangan maganda. So I need to use this hand mixer. Okay. So, ayun, guys. So, ayun. Halo na natin. So, buhos lang natin to sa ating pie crust, ang ating mixture. Ayan. Ayan. And i-plain lang natin.
Kita niyo ba, guys?
Ang pangit kasi ng ilaw.
Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Na-plain ko na, napantay ko na lahat.
Ito, spread natin sa babaw ng ating mixture ang ating lemon zest. Okay, dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ayun siya ga. Ayan. Yan ang ating. So, ilalagay ko lang to sa refrigerator for at least 6 hours. Let it stand in a cool place for 6 hours. Then it's ready to eat. There you go. We don't need to cook this one. We just mixed it, chill it, and there you go. We had our dessert. And put it back. Put the cover back and like that. Press back the edge and chill it. Okay. See you later, guys.
So guys, ito na yung ating lemon meringue after we chilled it. Slice natin. Ayan siya, guys. Look. So, ayun guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.